What's up everybody, Sean from Tech Pantry. Now, if you work in hospitality, occasionally you make mistakes, and one of the most common is accidentally selling an item to a customer that you've just run out of. It's totally unprofessional, totally annoying for the customer, but the good news is it's actually totally avoidable with a feature called product availability. I'm gonna jump into the back office of Lightspeed O series right now to show you how to set it up. Save yourself time, money, and a whole lot of embarrassment. Let's get in, I'll show you how to do it. All right, as always, the first step in this process is to go to the back office and go to features on the left-hand side. This is where you can find out, is product availability already turned on in your site, or do you need to go to the center part of the page and hit discover and turn it on? Our demo account already has it, so let's just jump right into the next step, which is hugely important. Now that you've got product availability enabled on your site, the next step is to give your staff permission to use it. Admins will already have it, but otherwise you need to go through and find all your staff members and tick the box that says edit product availability, then hit save. Best practice after that is to sync all your iPads. Now, the reason for this is there's no real good reason why all your staff shouldn't have the ability to do it. You don't want to give it only to managers. If they're busy and you need to turn something off on the fly, you're going to be stuck. So, best practice is give everyone the ability to do this and you're kind of covered. From here, you can just jump right back into the point of sale and start using it. So from the left-hand side in the menu bar, scroll down to product availability, head over to any item on your menu that you want to put an amount for, put that amount in, hit save, and best practice, sync all your iPads. Now, each transaction that you make, that number will draw down until eventually you'll hit 0 and it'll become physically impossible for your staff to oversell this item. But that's only the first half of what makes this feature so powerful and so convenient. If you've got an online ordering platform like Me and You, these items will again pull over and sync across to Me and You. So once they're unavailable on the point of sale, within 60 to 90 seconds, they'll be invisible and unsellable on Me and You. I'm gonna set a timer on here so you can just see how quickly this happens. Our steak special has just sold out on the point of sale. Again, as the counter goes in the background, just a little over a minute later, it becomes invisible on Me and You. So there's no more overselling, no more refunds, no more embarrassment. That's product availability. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe below. And again, if you're in Australia and you're opening a venue, or you've got a current venue and you're not completely happy with your workflows, your technology, head over to techpantry.com.au, send us a message, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks so much for your time.